That's at the Home Depot. Lowe's ain't about that life. This ladder is the best. I seem to use it so many places. It comes in handy so much. I'd say I use this ladder 70–80% of the time I'm working. Unless obviously I'm working on something taller and I gotta bust out the 32. Just wanna make sure this camera's angled the right way. Guess I'll find out when I review the footage. If I can get this stupid computer to recognize that I'm trying to take footage off of it. I think this should be good. Don't want to put it directly on the gutter. Yeah. Okay. So we got a lot of screws up here. At least we got black screws I can reuse. I definitely do not have black screws. Alrighty. Got the screw gun, got that. Grab these bad boys. Oh, my snipping doodles. That's one thing I'm good at, is forgetting my tools. It's just what I do. I forget the tools. I need my springy buddies. My red springers. Do not want this in here. There we go. Head to the back and get this party started. So what we're doing here is the gutters are sitting up not the gutter, the first row of shingles is sitting up a little high. And I forgot my other phone again. Oh my God. Go get my flipping phone. All right, a lot of ants up here. Let's pull off this old stuff. Oh, old but new. With the old screw daddy. Pop that off, bing bong. One gone. Save these screws so I can use them afterwards. See that southpaw? Old crap out of here. Old installers don't care, man. Alright, see what we got. Oh, these kind. get it out of the dang box. That would be nice. Installation guide. Not needed. another one. Okay, one more base. This will be our last one right here. Let's do this. It'll be about there. He's a big boy this time, man. Let's go right there with it. Alright, so maybe this is the reason why I brought the springy snips up here. Oh yeah, jeez. Like by the toes, gang. Or not. Come on. Yikes. Get this side done first. I really should leave a little bit of meat there. Let's try this out. Jeez. Come on, I don't want to go to my truck for something else. Snap this now. Oh yeah. We're smarter, not harder. Leave a little extra, you know what I mean, so I can lap it. See, the bend method still works. Yeah, man. Hi, Chihuahua. Alright. Bend this down a little. Just a little bit. Oh, I didn't cut it, you dodo. Which way did it go, George? Which way did it go? See if I can not screw this line up this time. Oh yeah, that's clean. Nice and wavy like I wanted it to be. All right, round two. Yeah, cut that. Gotta cut it. Work harder, not harder. I seem to work harder at all times. I can do the stuff, just not always the fastest. Bend that again. Stuff this mother jumper back in here if I can. That looks like crap. All right. It's always the last one. Of course I drop it, right? Always the last one or something. All right. All right, so I'm just gonna repair those shingles. Guess this one too. Show you a little trick I learned. Well,